Okay, so it's a frosty morning, a frosty day. There's this beautiful frost on the trees that's starting to fade off with the warmth of the day. Here's my situation. My van is in the mighty Firestone shop. They're replacing all of the hoses, all the rubber under the hood. A lot of it's been in there since 1992. And the price tag for this work is going to be about $500. And at the moment I've got about 2. So I live in that van that's sitting in that garage. I live in that van and I spend all of my time with counsel and writing and study and research. And it's written that the people of God will take care of the teachers, and that a good teacher is worth double pay. So whatever your grocery bill was for the week, a good teacher is worth double that. So anyway, I'm just taking a walk around the neighborhood, hoping that someone can help. I've got the standard stuff like PayPal and Cash App and Venmo and all that type of thing. And if somebody has a credit card that could just call in and cover $500 of expense, that would feel like a miracle to me. And so I rely on God for supply, and I'm not going to worry and I'm not going to fuss. And I am a dedicated worker, 24/7. Peace be with you all. Yahoo, yippee. Greetings from the frosty cool of Sedalia, Missouri.